guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Santos Jose, and then this is Nancy. She's my sister-in-law. Today we're just gonna be going to Ikea, and then hopefully we still make it to Laura's. I don't know if we'll have enough time, but I'm going for a shelf at Ikea, and then right now we're just at Juice It Up, and then actually too, I'm gonna take her to Cane's because she tried it before, but she didn't like it, and I love Cane's, so hopefully she likes it again. And do you have anything else to say? No. Do you want to introduce yourself?
I don't know. I'm Nancy. I'm 22 years old.
What do you do?
I work in construction. I'm a safety manager.
And okay, for everyone that's stereotypical, you see she works in construction, but obviously doesn't look like it. It's not all men that work in that industry. Thank you so much. But other than that, we're going to not Ikea right now. Juice It Up. Okay, you guys, so we just got our Juice It Up. I got this one. It's the Evergreen. This one, I don't know what it has inside. I'm assuming spinach. I think it has pineapple and I don't know what else. Do you know what else it has?
No idea.
No idea. Green shit, maybe cucumber. Well, I think it's healthy because it's green. And then Nancy got this one.
Pitaya bowl. It has pitaya, and then I don't know what else blended in it. And then they put granola and then some slices of strawberry and blueberries on top. And you could add honey drizzle on top, but I don't like that shit.
No, I've never tried hers, but it looks super cute. The color's super cute. I like it. I would do a nail color one like that one day. But other than that, we're just gonna start driving to Ikea because there's gonna be hella traffic, and I already know that. So we'll see you guys at Ikea. Okay, guys. So I am currently in Ikea, and I am looking at the shelves, as you could see behind me. I originally, let me show you guys. I wanted to get this one, but this one is just $34.99, and say hi, for a little extra you could get this one for $49, and it has a couple more shelves, or else there is this one too, but I feel like this one's too big. I don't know how I feel about this one yet. Okay guys, so now we are in the room aisle, and I wanted to quickly show you my outfit of the day. Today I got this from Forever 21. This one's from Forever 21 as well. My black high pants. Pretty sure Forever 21 too. I'm Forever 21 girl today. And then I don't know where Nancy is, so she could tell you what she's wearing. So I guess we could go find her, but I don't know. Okay, let me show you guys something actually. So I know a lot of people ask about the, basic Alex stores and stuff, and I wanted to show you guys real quick that they do have them here at Ikea. These honestly low-key look a little smaller. Oh, I need some of these though. I'm gonna buy some of these. They are super convenient to put, your highlighters, your bronzers. See, these are the ones I was talking about. Don't these Alex stores look littler?
They're smaller. They're
smaller, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I thought so. And then, oh, Nancy, you had to say your outfit of the day. I was looking for you.
This denim jacket is from Fashion Nova.
From Fashion Nova, sponsor her.
Yes, sponsor. And then I'm also sure just some leggings and some huaraches. And then my horse bag.
Yes. And then, oh yeah, I was just showing them this, but then I noticed, I was like, wait, those are smaller.
They're smaller.
Yeah, but I was talking about these. I don't know if they have other colors, but
I like that color.
Yeah, there's, oh, and then people use those for their brushes. I don't know what other ones we have. Oh, that one tilts. Nothing. Those ones. But I don't know. I think personally, I don't like my stuff laying loose around. That's why I like getting organizers. But the ones that I got last time, they were a gray color, and now these are black, so these are a little more noticeable. I think it'll bug me if I have one gray one black one. I don't know, I'm weird. But well, are those the regular Alex stores too? Oh, let's show you guys. They do look, yeah, they are smaller. Ikea, what are you doing? Are they?
They look like they are.
I'm gonna have to compare it once we get home. Because I feel like they used to be more deeper. Sus. Because look. Or, oh, I think this is, no. I don't know. They do look smaller, even this one.
I'm confused.
I know. This one too? Oh, ew. And their tabletops are super cheap too. Just the only thing I don't like now is that they're not glass. So they get dirty super quick and this happens.
Yeah.
It's so
I was trying to
annoying.
film and my camera fell and it fucking made a ding also.
Yeah, it's so annoying. Guys, and I wanted to show you the Ikea food court. What is it called? It's super cheap here. Like everything's like under like $6, but honestly, it tastes hella fake and it's not worth it. Maybe let's zoom you guys in. The desserts, but that's about it. I'm not down to try anything else. Who needs a man when you have Nancy? Oopsies. Okay guys, so we left Ikea and now currently we are in TJ Maxx and Homegoods. I don't know if they're like connected together or something. It kind of looks like it, but they're right next to each other, so we'll probably check out both. And since I got that one shelf thing, I want to look for like cute little unique pieces, you know, like the cute little ones I'm talking about. I'll probably like insert a picture or something if I don't get lazy. But Nancy, have you been to Homegoods?
Yes.
Okay. Have you been to? Yeah, you've been to TJ Maxx, right?
I think, yeah.
Okay,
Walmart.
it looks like they have. We are in Walmart.
What the fuck? Are we really?
Yeah.
Well, I haven't been to this one.
Oh, okay. Well, it actually looks like they have cute stuff in this one, so I'll probably show you guys, you know, cute little decorations and stuff, and then.
I heard pink salt's good for you.
Really? And I'm trying to think what else. No, pretty much it for here. And then TJ Maxx, I'll probably show you guys, you know, the good deals, the makeup deals, and the other little deals they have, the furniture-wise over there too. But from here, I'll show you guys stuff right now. Guys, it's meant to be. I found a J and it's only, I do not know how much. But then Nancy just found this cute little thing just for decoration on top. Okay guys, and I found this little acrylic organizer for, let's see, $5.99. There you go. And I just made that hole because I wanted to see how my brushes would look in there. I do have a couple of these in the middle of my vanity mirror, so let's say like right there, and it's super helpful. It comes with 4 compartments. And then I just found this one, and this one would be good to put your eyeshadow palettes in on top of your vanity mirror, and it's $12.99. Guys, look at what I found. Guess from where? Okay guys, so I don't know where I left off last time. I think I was at TJ Maxx or HomeGoods, but now I am at, guess where? Cane's. stitches back, so let's show. Look cute, look cute. Besos, besos, besos. And then here's Nancy's back again. We're trying to make her try it again, so maybe she'll like it this time, but we're waiting for our food. Smile. You.
I'm not your servant.
You. Okay, so we got the box combo with fries, 2 breads, extra bread because we don't fuck with coleslaw, and then we got the pink sauce. Everyone else basically got the same thing. Okay, guys, so right now I'm actually at BJ's and Chino. Ooh, I look hella fucking close and I'm blurry. Hold up. Okay, so right now I'm at BJ's in Chino. I know I just went to Cane's, but Caesar didn't eat at Cane's, so now we're at BJ's and I want to order this. And Omar's gonna get it for me.
What?
Right, Omar?
Oh.
Cheese. Smile for the camera.
What?
You're gonna get it for me. Something like a Scottish.
She's gonna get like 1 million followers. Don't follow him. You guys can't know his @ name.
At the Pig Who Flew on Instagram, at Cyberho on Twitter.
Okay, so I ordered a chocolate chip. I can't talk. Chocolate chip Hazuki. And then Caesar and Omar. Caesar, what did you order?
Jambalaya.
Jambalaya. Omar.
Beignet.
Okay, and we're gonna eat now, so. Aww, and then you look at me. Here's me third wheeling. Okay, hey guys, I am back from BJ's. Fuck, I forgot to make my friends say bye to you. I'm sorry, but so what I ended up getting at TJ Maxx was I actually got a mirror and then I got an Anastasia lipstick, and then after that I didn't find anything at Homegoods. I was gonna get that brush holder, but the ones that I have right now I don't think it would have like fit. Like, I don't know if you see this, like it's not as thick, or it's, the other one was way more wider is what I mean. But anyways, so let's put that back. But I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're still watching, I did a lot today. I'm sorry, I'm so tired. This vlog is gonna be all over the place, but I'm sorry. I'm just, you know, I'm trying to get in the memo of kind of like daily vlogging, or at least like every other day type of vlogging. But I mean, I really hope you guys like this video. And oh my god, guys, my boyfriend comes home on Friday, and it's basically Wednesday now, so after tomorrow he comes home, and dude, I'm tripping the fuck out because I haven't seen my boyfriend in like 7 months, and it's like, damn, like, you know, time really came and it flew by. But I'm just getting emotional. I'm emotional mess right now. But I mean, other than that, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.